In order for you to take full advantage of the new Kingsford competition briquettes, you have to learn temperature control. Let's start out with a few advanced grilling techniques, starting with building a two-zone fire. So what I'm doing here is I'm pouring the charcoal on only one side of the grill. That way, when you start to grill, you have a hot side over here for searing and grilling, and also you've got a void on this section right here where you can do low and slow cooking. Versatility, that is the key word when you think about Kingsford competition briquettes. Now we still have our two-zone fire, but let's take it a step further. If you'll notice, we added a water pan or drip pan to the void side of the grill. And now we're gonna add, of course, a little water. And for extra flavor, some fruit juice. One thing to guard against, you have to have water. Too much fruit juice in the drip pan will scorch and give a tainted flavor to your food. And to add a little bit more flavor, a little bit of dry rub as well. So now, during a covered cook, you get flavored moisture within the cooking chamber. This keeps food from drying out during the cooking process. So now, two-zone, we've got our hot side and we've got our cool side, okay? So now we can sear, we can grill, we can cook low and slow right here. Let's talk a little bit about temperature control, okay? Most grills nowadays have dampers on the bottom and also dampers on the top, okay? More air in, more air out, the hotter the fire, okay? If you want to cool your fire down, you want to damper down and damper down here, okay? Also, taking the temperature, how hot is it inside the grill? There's a lot of aftermarket thermometers you can take if your grill doesn't have it and you want to mount them as close to the grill grate as possible to get a true reading on how hot your food is cooking. The other method is, if you have a candy thermometer, you can always stick the thermometer through the damper to get a reading at how hot you're cooking. Now that we have an ideal temperature, let's get to cooking.